Very good morning to all my dear students. In the previous lecture, we have already started our history's first chapter, the River Valley Civilization. In that, we learn the meaning of civilization. We also learn how the population increased and larger villages appeared, and as population increased and man's needs expanded further, and the large villages grew into cities and towns. We also learn about the major civilization. Major ancient civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, the Tigris and Euphrates civilization in Mesopotamia, the Nile Valley civilization in Egypt, the Vango Valley civilization in China, Greek civilization and Iranian civilization. First four civilizations are very important for us. Today we'll discuss about all these civilizations. We also learn why people started settling near the rivers. Do you remember? Huh? Because the people of early civilization needed water for drinking, for irrigate their fields, and the most important thing is the soil near the river is very fertile, and water was also used to transport goods. Our first civilization is the Indus Valley civilization, and we learn about the discovery of that civilization. We learn the meaning of archaeologist. Archaeologists are the scientists who study the remains of past civilization or groups of people. We learn about ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, full form of ASI, the Archaeological Survey of India. Got it? Then our next point is sources of the Harappan culture. The main sources of the Harappan culture are the archaeological evidences. Archaeological evidences, sources, we learned about this in the previous lecture also. Sources, evidences क्या होते हैं? Sources और evidences वो होते हैं जिनकी वजह से हमें हिस्ट्री का पता चलता है. The main sources of the Harappan culture are the archaeological evidences. Archaeological evidence में क्या आता है? Ruins of the ancient cities. जो cities पूरी तरह से ruins हो चुकी है. Buildings, pottery, scenes, toys, weights and measures, ornament, tools and weapons. Sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Some of the major sites other than Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were the, जैसे मोहनजोदारो और हड़प्पा की साइट्स है वैसे दूसरी भी साइट्स है. फर्स्ट लोथल गुजरात, कालीबंगन राजस्थान, रोपर, आलमगिरी, बनवली, हिसार and Kottadji. This civilization is same like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization. We got same kind of remains from these sites. Now we came to know about the Indus Valley civilization, about the discovery of this civilization and the important sources from which we got all this information. Now we'll discuss about the chief features of the Harappan culture. First one is town planning. The Indus Valley people had an excellent skill in town planning. Indus Valley के जो लोग थे वो उनमें excellent skill था town planning करने का. They planned the town first, then they built. Got it? पहले उसे प्लान किया गया और फिर बनाया गया. The streets and lanes of their towns were laid out according to a set plan. जैसे आज के इंजीनियर्स करते हैं. पहले पहले वो बिल्डिंग नहीं बनाते, पहले वो एक प्लान बनाते हैं और फिर उसी हिसाब से वो बिल्डिंग्स बनाते हैं. These were straight and cut each other at right angles. The roads were wide enough. The streets were paved with fire-burnt bricks. There were covered drains running under them. There were lampposts at regular distances. Students, we can understand. Really, they made such a planned and beautiful structure in that time without any advanced technology, without any advanced types of machines. Now everything is available, technology, different types of machines, but we never seen this type of town planning yet also. Then our next point, drainage system. Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and other cities are known to have a good drainage system. House drains emptied into the main drains. The main drains ran under the main street. मोहनजोदारो, लोथल और इसी की तरह जो दूसरी सिटीज़ थी वो जानी जाती थी अपने गुड ड्रेनेज सिस्टम के लिए. ड्रेनेज सिस्टम अच्छा होना बहुत मायने रखता है. अगर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम अच्छा नहीं होगा तो चारों तरफ से बीमारियां ही फैलती हैं. हाउस ड्रेन्स एम्प्टीड इनटू मेन ड्रेन्स, और जो मेन ड्रेन्स होते थे दे रैन अंडर द मेन street. Inspection manholes were provided at regular distances. Water supply was also good. All this shows that an efficient civic administration must have existed in these towns. Building and houses. The people of the Indus Valley had built three categories of buildings. First one is the large buildings, second the public bath, and the third one people's dwelling houses. The cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were divided into two parts. Part 1 of the city was built on a raised ground and it was called the city. What Stedon means castle or fort. And the second one, part 2, was built at a lower level. The citadel had large public buildings on it. These included the granaries, workshop, assembly hall, and the factories. The learned or the ruling class who lived in the citadel area. Great granaries. The great granary at Harappa was the most important building in the citadel. Here is the picture of great granary. It ran 46 meters long and 15 meters wide. The granaries were used to store food grains. At Mohenjo-daro, a great public bath was excavated at Mohenjo-daro. It was the most imposing structure. Maybe it was the most important structure in the city. It consisted of a large quadrangle in the center with a large swimming enclosure, 40 feet in length and 23 feet in width and 8 feet in depth. It had galleries and rooms on all the sides. The Assembly Hall. The Assembly Hall was another huge public building at Mohenjo-daro and it was used for meetings by the ruler. Lothal Docks. At Lothal, near Ahmedabad, a naval dockyard. Dockyard means what? An enclosure with docks for buildings and repair of ships. This shows that the people of the Indus Valley carried out some maritime activities during this period. Then our next point is people's dwelling house. The lower part of the city of Mohenjo-daro had the dwelling houses of the people. The houses unearthed were of different sizes, from 2-room houses to palatial one. Most of these houses had double storage, as is clear from the stair marks. The first floor had sleeping and other rooms. The houses were made of baked bricks and mud mortar. Baked bricks जो होती है वो नॉर्मल ब्रिक्स से स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. मड मोटर sometimes even lime and gypsum mortar were also used to add strength to the structure. Gypsum mortar means what? Then our next point is 4 social groups of people. The people were grouped into 4 different classes. First one is the learned or the ruling class who lived in the citadel area. Before this, I told you that the large buildings were made for ruling class or the noble person. The rich merchants and the warriors. This one is the second class. Rich merchants and the warriors. Third one is traders and the artisans who worked in a brick kilns, workshops and factories. Manual laborers who lived in a single room houses down the city. Now you can understand that जो learned और ruling class होती थी वो फर्स्ट ग्रुप में आती थी. जो सेकंड ग्रुप था वो था रिच मर्चेंट्स और वॉरियर्स का. थर्ड ग्रुप में आते थे ट्रेडर्स, आर्टिसंस. आर्टिसंस कौन होते हैं? जो स्किल्ड वर्कर होते हैं अपने काम में.